Hello, welcome to Coudet Art. I'm Brenda Cootsties, also known as Coudet, and in today's video, we're going to be working on Dixie and Voo. Okay, this is Dixie and Voo, and I'm going to be working on the horses and possibly in the background. So this is a special project. This is an infinity frame, and basically it is the painting that wraps around the frame of the painting. Okay. It has a dedication on it. Sadly, Dixie and Voo passed a few years ago, a few years apart, and I'm doing this for their owner. Okay, so this is a custom special project. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the video. Voodoo was an American paint breed of horse. The highlights on his white coat often appear yellowish or orange in tone. There are a couple of reasons why these tones appear these colors. One of them is the backlight from the object in front of it. Another reason for this is horses often like to do dust rolls, roll around in the dust, and it could just be dust in his hair fibers. Also, what you see through a camera lens is different than what you see with your naked eye. Getting fine details on a painting of this size can prove to be challenging. Let me know in the comments if you have faced similar challenges in your painting projects. I just keep adding layers and eventually I will wind up with the result that I want. Voodoo had such a beautiful mane, women, even men, would be envious of. Some paintings can be done within a few hours. It depends on your subject. When you're doing intricate details like this, it can take quite a while. I'm using small, round, and flat brushes to capture the fine details on both of these horses. There is still a lot to do to capture those details and to get the look that I want. To be a fine artist, it does take a lot of patience. It's also a great way to relax. It's very satisfying when you reach the results that you want. If you enjoy watching my videos or find value out of the information that I share in them, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. It's not like a magazine. It's all free, and it really helps my channel grow. And if you hit that notification bell, you will be notified whenever I post new videos. I'm using one of my wisp brushes to get in some of that rough detail in the ground area right there underneath the horses. I noticed that that dark spot on his right front leg was a little too high. But it's a super easy fix, especially with acrylic. You can just paint over it. Then paint it back in the correct position. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you would like to purchase any of my work or order any custom painting, please visit my shop, Coudet Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you'd like to... boop, 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 blooper! Okay, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Blah! Another blooper! Okay, focus. For more videos, please click on this link right here. And if you would like to subscribe, please click on this link right here. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.